The migratory instinct is very strong, and this herd has a very specific destination, an uninhabited island in the middle of the fjord. To get there, they have to cross the sea. All of a sudden, the entire herd sets off. The leaders set the direction, and all the others follow. Reindeers are good swimmers, but it's a long distance, and the water is icy cold. The fact that they don't freeze or drown is thanks to their coat. Air pockets in the hairs insulate well and add to their buoyancy. On arrival, the herd spreads out to forage for food. The island has a very specific advantage for the reindeer. There are no predators, and pregnant females can give birth to their offspring in safety. Afterwards, the animals will migrate back to the mainland in small groups.